Managing your business should not require 10 different apps, 15 monthly subscriptions, and a master's in IT in order to figure it out. What if there was an easier way? You may be a bit like me. You've got MailChimp for email, Calendly for booking, Stripe for payments, a separate CRM, maybe you've got Xero or QuickBooks, and a social media scheduling tool. So all of those things add up to a chunk of money, as you can see in your bank account going out every single month. It's not just about the money though, is it? It's about managing it all and the headspace and having to jump between things on your laptop or your mobile, opening different apps. Where did someone message me? Did it come through email? Did it come through LinkedIn Messenger? Is it over on Instagram? When did I have that conversation with somebody? Have they paid their bill? Have I invoiced them? Okay, confession. Yes, sometimes I have forgotten to actually send the invoice to the client in the first place, which is why I did not get paid. When I worked in corporate, my job was to roll out software programs for nurses. I heard 100 nurses say, I did not get into nursing in order to learn how to use computers. And it's the same for us as small business owners. You want to get out there and deliver your products or services to happy customers and not wreck your head juggling all of these different softwares. Am I right? You're constantly switching between tabs, trying to remember what platform you last spoke to somebody on. Literally, I've just got a message from somebody on LinkedIn saying, can we have a Zoom call at 10 o'clock, whereas I was in my email at 10 o'clock, so I completely missed that. So I'm glad it wasn't a sales call that I might have missed. So I want to talk to you about a tool called GoHighLevel. I met the guys who promote this tool when I was speaking at Social Media Marketing World in San Diego earlier this year, and it looked really interesting, but as with everything, I didn't have time to get into it. But this year I thought, you know what, something's got to give in all of these different tools and softwares we're managing, and I spoke to the team at HighLevel and they convinced me to give it a go, and the more I look at it, the better it is. So before we go any further, I do have a free 30-day trial so you can get into it as well and have a play around and see, does it look like something you could use yourself? So do check out that down below rather than the standard 15-day trial that you will get if you go directly to them. This is not about adding another tool to your stack, by the way. This is about getting one tool to replace that entire bag of things that you have to check through every single day. One login, one dashboard, one payment every month. Yay! Once you've done your 30-day free trial, everything is talking to each other. That's the way it's been developed. It's been developed for business owners like us with the issues that we face. So let me talk you through the key features that I think are important that I am personally going to use with HighLevel. Number one, the conversations tab. Someone sends you a message and they go into your HighLevel system and it keeps track of that person. So if they email you or they send you a DM, if they click on certain buttons on your website, it all goes into the same place. No more checking all those different apps to see if someone's actually been in touch with you. It's just on one screen. Secondly, the calendar feature. Do you know when someone reaches out to you and says, I'm interested in having a conversation with you, and then you email them back and say, when suits you? And they say, oh, this suits me and that suits me, and there's different time zones and all that jazz. One of the things I love is being able to send someone a link through to book to your calendar. And you can set this up on LinkedIn that they don't even need to ask you for your calendar. So if you have a premium account on LinkedIn, you will see the book an appointment button that I have on my profile. Not only is it in my introductory card at the top, but it's also at the top of every single post that I do. When someone clicks on that, it takes them through to the calendar and it is in their time zone and they get to pick a date and time that suits them to speak to me. Now, what I love about this is that there are qualifying questions in there. So before they book the call to speak to me, it will ask them a series of questions. You can have whatever you want in here. So it could be, are you a B2B professional services company? Do you have a budget of XYZ? Because you want to speak to people who are the right fit for your service because it is a better use of their time and your time, right? Then what about a CRM? So a CRM is a customer relationship management tool. GoHighLevel calls this contacts and opportunities. This is where you can see how many times people have opened your email. Have they clicked on links to book a call with you? Have they clicked on the sales page? Think of it like a digital pipeline, and you can see that once someone books a call, they move across to the next stage in your pipeline. You can look at the snapshot and see exactly where people are sitting as a collective. Then the payment section. So this will integrate directly with Stripe. You can create invoices, set up recurring payments, which works wonderfully for us and our retainer clients, and generate payment links without ever leaving the platform. This is instead of buying extra software like Thrive Card cart or Sam cart. So it's all embedded into this one software. All right, what about scheduling your content? The biggest issue people come to us with is that they don't have time, or they think about content for LinkedIn and then they're posting something because, oh, I forgot to post or schedule something. So GoHighLevel has a scheduling tool within the platform as well, which you can connect to all of your social media accounts. You can also run your email in here, so no more needing to have ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit or MailChimp or whatever email software you're using, because it's all embedded in here. But what GoHighLevel does best, I think, and I'm just getting into this, is the automations. So rather than you having to go in and trigger things because you've received a payment here, so you're setting up your invoice system here, and then you're sending out your onboarding process over here with all of these different tools and softwares. The automation in GoHighLevel means that it just all happens automatically once it's set up. For example, someone fills out a form on your website. They get sent a link to book into your calendar. They get a reminder of when the appointment is. It even integrates with Zoom, so you don't have to go and set up your own Zoom link as well. It sends them the Zoom link. It notifies you when your meeting is. They get added as a new lead, they get a welcome sequence, and you don't even have to do anything. This is how you can scale your business without having to hire more staff. Then one of the things that my friend Gareth talks about is making sure that you're getting your reviews, your Google reviews. So guess what? GoHighLevel will also automate that. Rather than you finish a piece of work and think, oh, I must ask for a recommendation or a review. Once you finish the work, automatically request the review for you and put it onto your Google review page. So what about pricing? Having all of this stuff, it's over £300 a month for all the different softwares that I'm using at least. And if we add in the content scheduling tool that I have been using, it pushes it up over £450 a month. Well, GoHighLevel is $97 a month once you've had your free trial. So it costs you nothing to test it out. And then after that, it's only $97 a month for all of these things. The core benefit for it is the time it saves you from having to jump across different platforms, not losing track of your client messages anymore, automation of the workflow so things just keep moving forward, including the invoicing and the appointment scheduling. Guess who's guilty of dropping the ball on those? And even right through to getting your reviews at the end. I don't want to overwhelm you with all the other things it can do as well, but one thing it also has is a white labeling agent. So let's imagine you're an accountant and you've got 20 small business clients. You can create a custom version of GoHighLevel with your own branding, with your own logo, and sell that to your clients. You could offer it as part of your premium service and charge people. You could charge your clients $97 a month each, but you're still only paying the $197. Now that is genius. People say there's no such thing as a free lunch, and maybe you're like, oh, Louise, I'm a bit skeptical about all of this. So here's what you see when you log in. You get a nice clean dashboard. You can switch between different client accounts. Each client gets access to the features that they have on their account that you have set up for them. You will see your upcoming appointments, your incoming leads, your revenue, your invoices, like having a personal assistant who's done all the work for you before you've even sat down with your cup of coffee. I don't think it can make the coffee for us though. So there are 3 different plans. There's the starter plan, which is $97 a month once you've had your 30-day free trial with my link. That will help you for capturing, nurturing, and closing your leads. Most small businesses, this will replace what you're probably spending about $300 a month on already. The unlimited plan is $297 a month, which includes the starter plan and then unlimited contacts and leads and sub-accounts. This is perfect if you are managing multiple locations or you want to take advantage of that white label solution that we mentioned. And then there's the Agency Pro plan, which is $497. That gives you the white label mobile app and premium support. My suggestion is that you take some time, get the free trial for 30 days, play around with it, set up, for example, your calendar or your social media scheduling and set up a simple automation and go from there. Try it for 30 days, got nothing to lose. If it doesn't work for you, all you do is cancel it and it doesn't cost you a bean. Let me know how you get on.